Hello. We continue working on the collar, and the next session would be about cutting your pieces from the Melton. You probably already have cut them straight away, but if you hasn't, make sure your pieces are cut unbiased. So you have your pattern. Make sure your pattern have all the alterations need to be done, which is from the when you are checked your colors. If you need to add anything or change size, that's what you do before you cut your Melton. So when you've done that, so your Melton, you lay 2 layers together on top of each other, right side with the right side. Make sure it's on the true bias, so you have stretchiness in there. You and you cut your color with the seam allowance, which is you probably already have 2.5 everywhere. So I trim already my seam allowance at the center back because I don't need more than that. And when you've done that, you can machine at the center back, as you see here. So I already machined it. So come closer to you so you can see, following exactly the shape of the center back. Okay, and the next part would be is I'm going to open my seam allowance flat by using the iron. So I'm going to open that. Open your seam. So make sure you ironed on the wrong side. Okay, so like that. When is that done and your seam is absolutely flat, so I would like you to apply your collar canvas as you prepared, with keeping in mind all your seam allowance have to be all equal all around. Okay, and you check, and then you check that. Okay, and the next part would be is when you've done that, I would like you to machine to pin it in some places, so like I'm going to do now, so it stays in place. Yeah, so don't stretch your color, otherwise it's going to be too big. Okay, so a few places it's already start to have a nice shape. And now what I would like you to do when you've done that, I would like you to machine along the break line, put the stitch along the break line, so it will be permanently attached to your Melton. So here I've done already. So here I've done already, so I machined it, and then you can see my stitched break line. Okay. So, and then I will show you what to do with the color in the next lesson. Bye.